What is up, everyone? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove Family Link from Google account PC. To do that, let's start by opening your Google browser and go to familylink.google.com. On this page, sign into the account you want to unlink, go to Controls tab, then select Account Settings, click the account info, click the Remove Member that you want to remove in the Family Link. They may give you an option to tell you why you want to remove the member from the family group. Click the Remove button, and now you have successfully removed a family member. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up. For more videos like this, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button to be notified. For suggestions and questions, comment down below. Until the next one.